Hello, this is Antiraya, and this is going to be a short video just to show you something that I don't think I mentioned in the videos above. So, about conditional formatting. When you have two different conditional formattings like I do in the spreadsheet right here, and I'm going to show you how. So this basically, let me move my face. This one, this conditional formatting is basically picking up this, and the condition that I have here is if the checkbox is unchecked, then it's going to be red, and if it's checked, it's going to be normal, normal thing, right? So, and this is fine, and this should work down here as well, right? It's picking up all of this, so now everything is checked, and the whole thing should be good. Now, I have also a conditional formatting for these ones, which means that if, and let me open here to show you. So if H10 is empty, H10 will be this one, right? H10 to K15. So if this column right here is empty, I want to black everything out. So just take this out, and now everything is black, right? So if I remove this, and this is basically a blank space just to show that this is an advertising spreadsheet. So if this is empty, it just means that this advertiser just didn't use the services this month, right? And then it blacks out. So the thing is, if you change the conditional formatting rules, it will change based on the hierarchy over here. So if this was on top, this condition will be added first. So if you go here, you see that now it's only picking up the first one, right? And now this one, it's being applied to whatever cells do not have that condition. Now, because I want the black to be applied for this section only, I want the black to be applied first if this is empty. So then all you gotta do is make sure that you change this here, okay? So now I know if this has, data in here. Now, since this one, it passed through, right? Because this is not empty anymore. So this one is eliminated. It's not going to be active anymore. Then it's going to do this. So first order of ascendant, or whatever you want to call it. First, second, third, that's how the conditional formatting it's going to act. Okay, hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.